Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Tudine Sabores, 39 years old, married. My husband name is Susino Bing Pulido. We have two daughters, which is 7 years old and 9 years old. I have one brother, two sisters. I'm the third in the family. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning the house, taking care of the children. I live in Ormoc City, Leyte. I work as domestic helper in Singapore. Two adults, one daughter, 7 years old. My duties are cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and car washing. My second employer in Singapore, two adults, 2 years old boy, one newborn baby. My duties are taking care of the baby, feeding, bathing, changing diaper, playing with them. I also doing cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, car washing, and marketing. My third employer in Qatar, uh, two adults, 2-year-old boy, one newborn baby. My duties are cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, taking care of the baby. I always prioritize their safety, changing diaper, bathing, playing with them. Sir and mom, please choose me. Please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities. I also follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.